Hello, this is me, Debashis for Red Sports, and I have with me a guy who has been very, very special for USA cricket. He took 2 wickets, the prize wickets of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma in the game against India. Sort of first up, means how was the experience of getting the two big guns of the Indian team?
Yeah, I think firstly, very grateful that we got an opportunity to play in this World Cup, especially hosting. It's a big platform for us as a team to showcase our skills. We've prepared very well. I think leading into my bowling, it was clear that the pitch had some support for bowlers, and the first 6 overs was going to be important if we had any chance of defending the total. So we saw Arshdeep bowl as well. There was some swing on offer with the new ball if you bowled good lengths. So that was the plan, and I'm glad I could execute two good balls and got two big wickets.
But coming back to those dismissals, means did you ever thought that you would be getting the two big stars of Indian cricket?
Yeah, I didn't think about it that way. I mean, playing against India, Pakistan, all these top teams itself is a dream come true. The goal was just to bowl good line and lengths, and the wickets are just a result of it. I tried to not think about who is batting, instead trying to bowl what I wanted to bowl.
What was going through your mind when you were at the run-up going to bowl and the first ball wicket of Virat?
Yeah, first ball, when you execute a good ball and you get a wicket, especially of a top quality player, it definitely boosts your performance. Boosts your confidence. So we thought we had a sniff in the game. We tried our best. We fell short, but it was a great fight from everybody.
Sort of coming back to your personal performance, it was a great performance. Let's put it straight away. How do you sum up your performance? Obviously, that win against Pakistan, that super over, and now this performance against India, that will do your confidence a world of good.
Yeah, definitely it boosts my confidence, giving me the belief that I can perform at this stage in front of quality batters. As a team also, it gives us the confidence that if each one of us contribute in our roles, we can give a tough fight, or even on our day beat good teams. So that's good signs for us, and hopefully we can win our last game and qualify for the Super 8s. That's a possibility now.
Yeah, obviously, Saurav, you deciding to, obviously you played for India under 19, you represented Mumbai. So at the backside means obviously the role of doing your academics as well as cricket, how did you manage?
So firstly, I love what I do. So I love my job. I love playing. Obviously, every time I get an opportunity to play cricket, I'm very grateful, because this is like life gave me a second chance to play this sport, which I never thought I would play in this country. So I'm grateful for that. Work-wise, I think it's about being smart about how you manage your time, and trying to focus on those things when what is needed. So if there's a tournament, I try to build up and increase my workloads of practice just before the tournament, and same when there's some off time, I focus more on my work, and I plan it out with my bosses there and my coaches here. So it's kind of like a collaborative effort, and you need to be smart about how you manage your time, but if you really want to do it, you can manage.
Lastly, obviously, you did say that USA does have a chance of making it to the Super 8. So how big a moment will that be for USA cricket? Obviously, first time playing in front playing in home, and that too in a tournament like the T20 World. How big an occasion will that be?
It will be huge for us, because it will sort of exponentially plant a seed of growing the sport in the country. We are already seeing from the last two games how fans are pouring in to watch the game live, as well as watching on TV. Mainstream media is also covering the games, and people are becoming more aware of what cricket is. So hopefully some more kids will pick up the bat and ball and sort of take this up as a sport.
Thanks, Saurav. Thank you. All the best for the upcoming matches. So that was Saurav Netravalkar exclusively for Red Sports. Keep watching this space to get all the updates throughout our coverage of T20 World Cup. This is me, Debashis, signing out from Nassau County International Stadium. Until then, keep watching.